Imagine you're scrolling through Instagram feed and you suddenly found a Amul ad stating we are the best in the industry, take our products. Will you be interested? Absolutely not, right? Same goes with content scheduling as well. Welcome to day 7 of learning digital marketing using AI. So, when you post something on social media, that shouldn't be like a sales pitch. Like, you shouldn't talk like buy our products, we are best in the industry. So all the big brands, if you observe, their content revolves around making us smile, connecting to their products emotionally. Always have a emotional connect with your audience. Never ever try to sell on social media. Go to any big brands like Apple, McDonald's, they do not create content on their products. You got my point? For this, Viru, do we have any AI tool? Yes. Go to Gravity, right? And add your description, and amazingly, it will give you the copies to post on the social media. Interesting. Do follow for us day 8 of learning digital marketing using AI. Don't forget to like and